Good evening. Welcome to my Web University free educational videos. In this session, I'm going to show you the Lambda function. So without further ado, let's get started. And the example that I'm going to show you with Lambda function today, we're going to have two functions. One is line 1 through 3, and one is line 5 through 7. As you can see, I have already written the scripts to save your time. So I'm going to just uncommon line 2 and uncommon line 3 in this example. And I'm going to show you what the output looks like. So when you run it, basically this Lambda function uses a start a variable with S and then M with max and then I for increment by. And then within the range function, these variables are used as start, max, and increment by. And when I call it with the function L, which is the result of this Lambda function is assigned to, the L of 0 starting with variable max of 100, increment by 10, is going to just produce the output of 0 to 90 with 10 incremented by. So now I'm going to comment these lines, and I'm going to show you the second example and comment those one, which I don't have to comment the first one, but I want to just show you line 5 through 7 now, because we're decrementing in this case rather than incrementing. And the decrement value is by minus 10. So when we run it, it starts with the top number as 100, and then the bottom number is 0, and decrements down to 10. So 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and finally 10. And then this start and stop bit is, since it's a variable, I can change any number here. Like if I do by 15, decrement by 15, it goes from 100 down to 10, but decrement by 15. And similarly by 20, and by 20 decremented there. And then here I could just change the start bit to 1000. But since the numbers are going to be so huge, I'm going to go down to 0 with decrement of 100, just so we could just have a smaller output here. As you can see, 1900 and then decremented by this. And if I just want to just go the stop at 100 here, I could do that one because decremented, and then 200 is the last number that is printed, because by the time it reaches, it does not, the range function, it does skip the last number. It does not do that one. If you want to just do it, yeah, you have to and just go one value larger than this. So like if I just go decrement by, let's say 10, that's going to be a lot of numbers. I'm going to decrement by 50. I could get a different output, as you can see. And then the output is right here showing on these ones. Okay, so let me just decrement it by 100 here. And then we show you the output here. As you can see, the output is just in one screen. It fits the best. And then I'm just going to thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to go to my Web University free educational videos, which was this channel on YouTube, and then make sure you watch these videos and make some comments so I can fulfill your needs, and just make sure that I can do the videos based on your needs, basically. So if you make some comments, say I need Python with some functions or some variables or some definition, some structure that you're looking for, like lists, set, tuples, and data dictionary, you just put the comments and I'll make the video for it. Although I have videos for all of them almost already, but I'm going to make videos there. And in addition, I just made a like a short video for this one. And so I'm going to post, I actually posted that one because that one was a short video. So you're welcome to see this short video for 1 minute, which is the same kind of Lambda function variables. And this is just a quick example. And now I showed you with more details on the Python example. Here, you don't have to just do this. You could just also say x of, let's say, some other number. So you could say 50, comma, 0, comma, 10, minus 10 actually. So you could decrement by that number and going from 50 down to 10. So as you just put new variables, those variables would take place. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Please make some comments and then don't forget to subscribe again. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.